Hello students, welcome back to the chapter of vectors. In the last module you learned about unit vector along the coordinate axis. In this module a very important concept, position vector of a point. Now what is position vector of a point? First of all, consider one point P with the coordinate xyz in the 3D space. Now the position vector of this point P is nothing but it is a vector from a fixed point O to the point P. You are very correct. The vector OP bar is a position vector of point P and OP bar is denoted by small p bar. Yes, vector, position vector of any point is nothing but a vector from a fixed point O to that point. And position vector is denoted by small letters. You are very correct. If I want to denote a position vector of point Q, is OQ bar, which is small q bar. And if I want to denote a position vector of point A, it's OA bar, denoted as small a bar. Now what is OP bar's value? What is the magnitude of OP bar? Let us see. OP bar, which is P bar, which is position vector of point P, is denoted as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. The magnitude of OP bar, magnitude of P bar, all length of P, all one and the same, is square root of x square plus y square plus z square obtained by distance formula. Now you can also remember the magnitude of vector has square root of sum of squares of coefficients of I cap plus coefficients of j cap and coefficient of k cap. Yes, square of coefficient of I cap, square of coefficient of j cap, square of coefficient of k cap, its sum and then a square root. Yes, let us come to one example. I give you a point A with coordinate 1, 2, 3. What's the position vector of this point A? Yes, it's OA bar, it's small a bar, and it's I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. What is the magnitude of this? The magnitude mod a bar is root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, which is equal to root 14. A very important concept coming now. PQ bar. Now I want to represent PQ bar in the position vector, and it is given as position vector of point Q minus position vector of point P. You are very correct. Whenever you want to represent any vector in the position vector, it's position vector of final point minus position vector of initial point. So PQ bar is Q bar minus P bar. Now you'll be wondering how this has been obtained. Let us see. Now I consider a vector OP bar, which is P bar, OQ bar, which is Q bar, and I join PQ and form a triangle OPQ. Now apply a triangle law. So by applying a triangle law, OP bar plus PQ bar is equal to OQ bar. OP bar is P bar, OQ bar is Q bar. Let us substitute. So we get P bar plus PQ bar equal to Q bar. So PQ bar is equal to Q bar minus P bar. Very correct. Position vector of final point minus position vector of initial point. AB bar, B bar minus A bar. CD bar, D bar minus C bar. Now consider 2 points in the space. First point A having coordinate x1, y1, z1, and another point B coordinate x2, y2, z2. Now what is the position vector of point A? A bar is equal to nothing but x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. Position vector of point B, which is B bar, is nothing but x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. Magnitude of A bar is nothing but root of x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square, and magnitude of B bar is nothing but root of x2 square plus y2 square plus z2 square. Now I want to represent AB bar in terms of I cap, j cap, k cap. See how it happens. AB bar can be represented in position vector as B bar minus A bar. Let us substitute B bar and A bar value. B bar is x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap, and A bar value is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap. After simplifying it, we get x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. You are very correct. I cap coefficients together, j cap coefficients together, k cap coefficients together. Now let us come to an example and use all this application and understand and revise the concept. I give you 2 points with the coordinate 1, 3, 5 has a point A and 4, 5, 3 has a point B. Now I want to find here AB bar, BA bar, magnitude of AB bar, magnitude of BA bar, and 3AB bar. First of all, let's we find the position vector of point A, which is A bar, which is I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap. Position vector of point B, which is B bar, is 4I cap plus 5J cap plus 3K cap. Magnitude of A bar, we don't want to find here, so we'll directly find AB bar. AB bar is nothing but B bar minus A bar. Substitute the value of B bar and A bar. Now simplifying it, what we get? 4I minus I, 3I, 5J minus 3J, 2J, and 3K minus 5K minus 2K cap. Now magnitude of AB bar is nothing but root of 3 square plus 2 square plus minus 2 square. So it is equal to root 17. Now let us find BA bar. What is BA bar? A bar minus B bar. Yes, final point minus initial point. Substitute the value of A bar and B bar. After simplifying, what we get? I cap minus 4I cap minus 3I cap, 3J cap minus 5J cap minus 2J cap, and 5K cap minus 3K cap is plus 2K cap. Magnitude of BA bar. What is magnitude of BA bar? Root of minus 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square, which is equal to again root 17. Now I want to find 3AB bar. You have found the AB bar just now. It was 3I cap plus 2J cap minus 2K cap. I am multiplying a scalar 3 to it. So my resultant vector 3AB bar is 9I cap plus 6J cap minus 6K cap. Thank you.